Hello, family. Today's word comes from Luke chapter 6, verse 29. Ignore insignificant insults or losses. Maintain your dignity. Not every insult deserves your response. Not every comment deserves your energy. Jesus teaches us that dignity is strength. Sometimes the most powerful response is silence. The enemy wants you distracted at all times, fighting battles that don't matter, arguing with people who will never understand you. If the insults are coming, it's often because you are moving forward, you're growing, and walking in God's favor. Protect your peace, save your energy, and save your strength. Focus on what God has called you to do. Your assignment is too important to waste in people that doesn't matter. Have a good night, family.